I'm gonna start cutting my grass. Look at these weeds growing out of my grass. It's horrific. How to, oop. Someone's stealing a car. How to work out and cut the grass at the same time. Always remember to wear safety glasses. I'll just squint for now. So this is how you work out and you get to make your garden look good. Mowing your lawn, mowing your lawn, mowing your lawn is like a little Spanish step, salsa, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I'm telling you, I ain't an expert in anything, but I'm just doing it my way. So, a few steps. Let me show you. You could go up and down like this. And there we are. Looking nice. Yeah, took me a few hours, but got it. Now I have to clean all this stuff up.